Hello and welcome to the New Start Kitchen. My name is Nicole Ramos and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy almond sauce. Here are the ingredients. Half a cup of almond butter, quarter cup of water, hot, 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and salt to taste. And all we're going to do here is just put everything into a bowl and mix. So the reason why here we have that hot water is that sometimes your almond butter will get thicker before it gets softer with the temperature of the water. So we just add that hot water there so that it can be easier to stir and it can give you that nice saucy consistency. So adding that maple syrup, the Bragg's liquid aminos, lime juice, ginger, garlic, and we're going to add the salt later. The Bragg's is already nice and salty, so we'll want to taste that sauce before we add the salt. And we may not even need to. Okay, so it gets a bit gritty and funny before it gets nice and saucy, so don't give up on it. Keep mixing and you will see it come together beautifully. And this goes amazingly with fresh rolls. Absolutely delicious. If you like some spice, you can add a pinch of cayenne pepper to this for a bit of a kick, and there you go. Beautiful almond sauce for all your almond sauce needs. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.